Welcome to Spark Your Finance, your go-to destination for mastering the art of budgeting and crafting a financial plan that truly works for you. Are you ready to take control of your finances and spark a brighter financial future? Whether you're just starting your journey to financial independence or seeking to refine your budgeting skills, you've come to the right place. At Spark Your Finance, we believe that everyone deserves financial stability and empowerment. Through insightful tutorials, practical tips, and expert advice, we're here to guide you step by step towards financial success. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to achieving their financial goals. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share our content with your friends and family. Together, let's ignite the spark of financial literacy and empowerment. Get ready to transform your financial outlook and embark on a journey towards a brighter tomorrow with Spark Your Finance. Let's spark the flame of financial freedom, one budget at a time. In this comprehensive guide, we will dive deep into the process of budget creation, explore effective budgeting strategies, discuss integrating savings and investments into your budget, manage debt, adjust your budget over time, involve your family in the budgeting process, and even explore advanced budgeting techniques. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. The basics of budget creation. Understanding the purpose of a budget. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details of budget creation, it's important to first understand the purpose of a budget. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, helping you allocate your income effectively and track your expenses. It allows you to identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Ultimately, a budget empowers you to take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Creating a budget is not just about crunching numbers. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of your financial habits and priorities. By setting financial goals and creating a budget to achieve them, you are taking a proactive approach towards your financial well-being. When you have a budget in place, you can make informed decisions about how to spend your money. It helps you prioritize your expenses and make sure that your money is being used wisely. A budget also provides a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you have a plan in place for your financial future. Identifying income sources and monthly expenses. The first step in creating a budget is to identify all your sources of income and monthly expenses. Your income sources may include your salary, freelance work, rental income, or any other sources of money coming in regularly. Similarly, your monthly expenses encompass everything from rent or mortgage payments to utility bills, groceries, transportation, and entertainment expenses. By carefully analyzing these elements, you gain a clear picture of your financial situation and can make informed decisions moving forward. When identifying your income sources, it's important to consider both your primary and secondary sources of income. This could include income from investments, side hustles, or any other sources that contribute to your overall financial well-being. By taking into account all your income sources, you can create a more accurate and comprehensive budget. As for your monthly expenses, it's crucial to be thorough and include all necessary expenses. This includes fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, insurance premiums, and loan repayments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. By categorizing your expenses, you can gain a better understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you may need to make adjustments. Additionally, it's important to consider any irregular or unexpected expenses that may arise. This could include medical bills, car repairs, or home maintenance costs. By setting aside a portion of your budget for these types of expenses, you can be better prepared for any financial surprises that come your way. Step-by-step process for building a budget. Calculating your total income. Once you have identified all your sources of income, the next step is to calculate your total income. Add up all the income streams to determine your monthly take-home pay. This figure forms the foundation of your budget and acts as a starting point for your financial planning. Calculating your total income is an essential step in building a budget. It allows you to have a clear understanding of how much money you have available to allocate towards different expenses and savings goals. By knowing your total income, you can make informed decisions about how much you can afford to spend and how much you should save. When calculating your total income, it's important to consider all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, rental income, and any other form of income you receive regularly. By including all sources, you ensure that your budget is accurate and reflective of your true financial situation. Tracking and listing all expenses. With your income in hand, it's time to track and list all your expenses. This step requires diligence and attention to detail. Carefully review your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts to identify each expense you incur regularly. Categorize your expenses into fixed expenses, e.g. rent, utility bills, and variable expenses, e.g. groceries, dining out. This comprehensive overview enables you to gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you may need to cut back. Tracking and listing all your expenses is a crucial part of building a budget. It allows you to have a complete picture of your spending habits and helps you identify areas where you may be overspending. By categorizing your expenses into fixed and variable, you can further analyze your spending patterns and make adjustments as needed. When tracking your expenses, it's important to be thorough and include even the smallest expenses. Sometimes, it's the little things that add up and can have a significant impact on your budget. By paying attention to every expense, you can make more informed decisions about where to allocate your money and identify potential areas for savings. Effective budgeting strategies. Creating and sticking to a budget is an essential part of managing your finances effectively. It allows you to track your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and work towards your financial goals. While there are various budgeting strategies available, two popular approaches are the zero-based budgeting method and the 50-30-20 rule. Zero-based budgeting approach. The zero-based budgeting approach is a method that requires you to allocate every dollar of your income towards a specific purpose, leaving no money unaccounted for. Unlike traditional budgeting, where you may have a set amount allocated to different categories, zero-based budgeting ensures that you prioritize your expenses based on their importance and helps you eliminate unnecessary spending. Integrating savings and investment into your budget. Managing your finances effectively involves more than just paying bills and covering expenses. It requires a strategic approach that includes prioritizing savings and exploring investment opportunities. By incorporating these elements into your budget, you can set yourself up for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Prioritizing savings in your financial plan. When it comes to building wealth and achieving financial stability, savings should be a top priority. By setting aside a portion of your income for savings, you create a safety net that can protect you from unexpected financial challenges. Whether it's a medical emergency, a sudden job loss, or a major home repair, having a well-funded emergency fund can provide peace of mind and help you weather any storm that comes your way. But savings go beyond just emergency funds. It's also about planning for the future and setting yourself up for long-term financial success. By consistently saving a portion of your income, you create a foundation for growth and financial security. It allows you to take advantage of opportunities that may arise, such as investing in a new business venture, purchasing a home, or funding your child's education. Thank you for joining us on Spark Your Finance as we delve into the essentials of budgeting and building a financial plan that truly makes a difference in your life. We hope you found our insights valuable and empowering as you navigate your financial journey. Remember, mastering budgeting is not just about numbers. It's about gaining control, building habits, and paving the way for your financial freedom. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Spark Your Finance for more insightful content, and sharing our channel with your friends and family. Your engagement fuels our passion to continue delivering high-quality financial education to all. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community and are always here to support you on your path to financial success. Together, let's keep the spark of financial literacy alive and thriving. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep sparking your finances with Spark Your Finance.